How to recover Roblox account without password or email. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if you can't access your Roblox account because you forgot your email or password, here's how you can recover it. So first of all, go ahead and open roblox.com. Tap on login in the top right corner. Now select the option of forgot password or username, and then enter your username, email, or phone number, whichever you'd like to use, and then tap on next. Now here you need to enter a mobile number or a email address to reset your password. So simply go ahead and enter your phone number, and Roblox will send a code to your phone and enter the code to reset your password. And if you do not have a phone and you do have an email, go ahead and enter your email address over here, and then Roblox will send a verification code to your Gmail account. Simply go ahead and copy the code and paste it over here and you'll be done. And if you don't remember your email and did not add a phone number, you can go to roblox.com/support. And this will take you to the Roblox contact page. Here, you need to update your contact information such as your username, your first name, your email address, confirm your email address, and then select the device that you're having problem on. And then select the type of help category and describe your issue in this box, and then tap on continue. In this box, you can type, I lost access to my account and no longer remember the password or email address linked to it. And my Roblox username is --. Please help me recover the account and I can provide details for the verification. Thank you. And click on submit and wait for response. They usually reply within 24 to 48 hours. And Roblox might ask for your old passwords, the approximate date you created the account, the devices you've used to log in, such as PC or phone, receipts for the Roblox purchases from your Gmail, Google Play, or etc. So provide honest and clear answers. And this helps them verify you own the account, and they may then help you to reset it. And if Roblox support denies your recovery request, you don't have access to your email, phone, or any proof of purchase, you might need to create a new Roblox account and make sure to use your correct email address and phone number this time to keep your account secure. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.